Happy Saturday morning. It is happy Saturday morning. Just back from New York. We're going to give you some New York prices today. We're going to show you these. All of them, what I did is, what we're seeing a lot of in the stores is textured or layered applications. So I went through and picked out some textured and pinks. Of course, what's really current. This is a perfect example. All of these are $12.99 today. You heard $12.99. That's New York prices. They all have two-way stretch. They're all $12.99. They all have two-way stretch. Beautiful cotton poly. Now this is mostly cotton. It's a wonderful feel to it, but you can see it's a little ribbed. This would be so cute to do a little bomber jacket. The ribby. Oh, I won't go on. Anyway, just fun. This is 100% viscose. Is this adorable? This is a navy background. Splashes of pink, blue, gray. Lovely, lovely piece of fabric. 100% viscose. Really nice. The drape on this is incredible. At $12.99, you guys, you'll be current, stylish, and have saved the money. This is 100% cotton. Stretch in both directions. Again, great drape. Just a great fabric. Leggings. Top. I can see so many things with this. Just adorable. Little t-shirt for the summer. Oh, wonderful. And then, notice there's a lot of pinks going on in here. So again, layered. This is stretch in both directions. I love this. This would be a great part of something or the whole thing. Keep the pattern simple, like the $195, the sweater set. Just a really pretty little top. Colors are pink, purple, lime green. They're just amazing. And then here we have lime green. I put this in because exactly what is popular right now are these holes cut out and then layered on top. Just some really, really cute ideas. All right, so this is stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly, again, $12.99. This last one is a scuba. And I like the front side, but somebody said, gosh, even if you don't, the back side is a beautiful black scuba. So you get both. You get two fabrics in one. I love this. This is kind of a real coppery color. It's very pretty. $12.99. What a deal. And that's the way to have happy sewing. You're not in New York, but you're kind of close there with the prices. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.